Hey, it's Music Therapy Laz here. Saturday early afternoon. I'd say it's about 1 o'clock ish. No, it's almost two. Two. Wow, the day goes by so fast. So I'm kicking back a little bit, getting some paperwork done on my computer here. But thought I would take a quick break and thought I'd do an unboxing and in a sneak peek kind of demo in a sense. So sneak peek in the sense that I'll probably demo this live on the live stream tomorrow at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is Music Therapy live stream Sundays with Roxy. And it is the Trio Band Creator pedal. If you guys have seen that pedal or seen demos of that pedal in the past, it's a very, very cool pedal to use to come up with quick drum and bass parts for a song. You don't have to actually create the drum and bass parts. It's created by the Trio pedal. So it's got a bit of an AI type of, um, you know, I guess I'm not sure exactly how they set it up, but it's got some kind of artificial intelligence creating like a bass and drum part to whatever rhythm parts that you play or some melody that you play. As long as it's something simple, it'll figure out something to play to it. So it's a really cool kind of interactive kind of device. And I picked mine up for $50 back when they were selling them, blowing them out. I think at Pro Guitar Shop. I think I bought two of them when they were still around when the Trio Plus came out. The Trio Plus has a built-in looper. This one does not. So I was going to try to figure out how to use it in conjunction with the Ditto mini looper that I have, and we're going to try to make that work for tomorrow. So I'm going to mess around with it a little bit later today, try to see how it works. Other than that, I'm going to do this quick unboxing of some stuff I got. And so normally the unboxings I would do um, actually opening in front of you, right? But considering the situation of today's era, I guess the era of COVID, we probably shouldn't do that kind of unboxing. I unboxed this outside with gloves and a mask on, and I sprayed disinfectant around it. And when I open it, I sprayed disinfectant, Lysol, and that way everything's safe. So this has already been opened. So this is one of the YouTubers I support because he did a really cool kind of historical look back on some music that I enjoy from the 80s. So kind of glam rocky, kind of punk rock kind of music. So Circle of Tone. Let's see if I got anything up on him. So he did this thing called Goth Broth, which is basically a bunch of that kind of goth punk era stuff. And he did Susie and the Banshees. He did I think The Cure, of course. He did The Damned, Killing Joke, and Typo Negative. And he went into like the variety of like guitar setups. So he goes pretty in depth, how they set up their guitars to get their tone and stuff like that. So he's very much into how to recreate the tone of albums, or how particular musicians created the tone they came up with. So I remember him going into like Bowie and how they got their tone on some of their tracks and made them unique, right? So I got a beer coaster or drink coaster and a bunch of stickers, and I think this bag, and I already stuck this on something metal over here. So there's a magnet for your fridge. I'm sticking it onto my I'll show it to you. Sticking it onto there, and a bunch more stickers. And let's see if I could fish out a bunch of stickers for my guitar cases or whatever you want to stick them on. And I think there's a pin. Yes, Circle of Tone pin. So one of the things I've been doing, since I can't go to a live show, right? We're not able to go to live shows. Is supporting some of the YouTubers and musicians that I enjoy by getting some of their merch. And in this case, I signed up to this dude's channel, his Patreon, so I could get a couple things from him and also show him some support. So that was way cool that he sent that to me. Not everyone, by the way, that you join on Patreon sends you stuff. So it's cool when they do. And the few Patreon accounts that I have that I maintain, they do tend to do a lot for the community. So I appreciate what this guy did because he did some things that were kind of risky in the sense of on YouTube. Will anyone find any interest in them? But yeah, I thought the Gothroth series was really cool. So go check out Circle of Tone. He is a pretty cool dude. And until next time, Music Therapy Laz. Oh yeah, next time, of course, it's going to be Sunday. Tomorrow. Oh, check out my shirt. That's another. I should recognize that saying, right? Learn it, live it, love it. Fast times at Ridgemont High. But this is a tone knob. And that's right. Know your gear, people. So Philip McKnight, an early shirt from his show. So I've got some stuff here I'm going to be fabricating in the room here, so I got to clear some stuff out. But I'll be messing around with the trio a little bit later. And yeah, reminder, Sunday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm doing my live stream with Roxy, even though she's kind of being a boring bird lately, sitting around on her eggs all day long trying to hatch them, and they're not going to hatch. But we're not going to tell her. Poor thing. Anyhow, so until next time, don't forget the secret to tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. Put those together and make some music. Until next time, rock on, you guys. See ya.